Hello and welcome to another LeetCode solution video. This is problem number 48, rotate image. For this problem, we are given an n by n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. For the examples, we're given the problem visually. So for example 1, our input matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when you rotate it 90 degrees, you get 741, 852, 963. And for example 2, we're given an input matrix of 5, 1, 9, 11, 2, 4, 8, 10, 13, 3, 6, 7, 15, 14, 12, 16. And when you rotate it 90 degrees, you get 15, 13, 2, 5, 14, 3, 4, 1, 12, 6, 8, 9, and 16, 7, 10, 11. Let's go through an example. For this example, our input matrix is going to be 987, 654, 3, 2, 1. And for our solution, we're going to want to take our matrix and transpose it and then reverse each of our rows, and that's the equivalent of rotating it 90 degrees. To transpose the matrix, we need to swap the values of our matrix at the index ij with the index ji, where I is our index is 0 to the length of our matrix, and j is equal to I plus 1 to the length of our matrix. So starting off this problem, our first I index will be 0, and our first j index will be 1. So swapping the value at our matrix of 0, 1 with the matrix value at 1, 0. So we're swapping our 8 with our 6. So now we have 9, 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we'll want to increment our j value and swap those values. So we'll be swapping the value at 0, 2 with the value at 2, 0. So we're swapping our 3 with our 7 value. And now, since we've reached the end of our j values, we want to increment our I value and start from the beginning of j again. So now I equals 1 and j equals 2. So now we'll be swapping the value at 1, 2 with the value at 2, 1. So we're swapping our 2 with our 4. And at this point, we're done transposing our matrix, because if we increase our I value again, it'll be 2, and our j value will then be I plus 1, which is 3, and 3 is no longer a valid index of our matrix. So now with our transposed matrix, we want to reverse the values of each row. And when we reverse each row's values, we end up with 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7. And this is our rotated matrix, so we would just output this. Let's jump into the code. The first thing we're going to want to do is get the length of our matrix, and we'll set it equal to our n variable. Next, we'll want to transpose our matrix, so we'll loop for our I values of 0 to n and our j values of I plus 1 to n. And in this loop, we'll just be swapping our matrix values at ij with the value at ji. Now that we've transposed our matrix, we want to reverse each of our rows. And at this point, our matrix would be rotated 90 degrees. And since it asks for us to do this in place, we don't need to return anything. So that's it for our code. Let's run this. Had one small syntax error. This should be -1 instead of 1. Let's run it again. All test case passed, so let's submit. Our solution was accepted, so that's it for this problem. If you like this video and want to see more content like it, make sure to check out my channel. Thanks for watching.